Alright guys, we're back. Brought the AMG out to play. So the orange one, the Mercedes, is only a 4S, but it's definitely a contender. Do not sleep on them. Oh, S, baby, 60 miles an hour. You see that? 60 miles an hour on the dot. 4S. You guys understand? 4S. Oh, brakes are horrible. Yeah. Good. Did we overheat? Drive, y'all. motor is really hot. I don't know if we burnt the motor out. Yeah, no fan on it. Oh yeah, she's hot. She needs a fan now. You guys got 60 miles an hour. AMG GT. Thermal shutdown. That thing is so hot to the touch. The ESC is smoking hot. So definitely shut it down. We gotta get a fan for this motor. I got that 21 tooth gear on it. That's a bit much. I might put it back down to a 19 tooth. Wire those tires down. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to a 19 on this. I think 19 is that sweet spot. But we did get it up to 60 miles an hour. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wrecked 2 cars for you. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will get back at you. Peace.